A report out today shows one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, is having user trouble. According to the website Crypto Briefing, many Binance users are struggling to get their accounts, which have been frozen since last year. That's not good. They've been unlocked, but they're not getting adequate customer support, we understand. Crypto Briefing says they are waiting on a response from Binance. As you can see, Bitcoin today, price is down over 1,000, down $1,100 at 50,846. Joining us now, Charlie Gasparino, who's been following the cryptos very closely. Charlie, what you got?
I think this goes beyond Binance, which I keep thinking every time you say Binance, I think of ByteDance, which is TikTok's, But this goes beyond what's going on in crypto today. We should point out that Bitcoin dipped below 50,000 for much of the day today. It bounced back a little back up. There's something else going on here, and it's from what I understand, and this is talking to major investors, it's fears of a severe correction that's starting to spread through the markets. And I'm not saying that's definitely going to happen. I'm just telling you that people are scared. Tons of rumors out there that are percolating prices. So most of the rumors are not founded in any reality, or at least any stated reality as of yet. But clearly, there is a fear that when you see stuff like this, and I'll tell you, Ashley, you're probably not as old as I am. I'm giving away my age here, but I do remember the .com crash. And before the .com bubble crashed in March 2000, after NASDAQ peaked above 5,000. By the way, 5,000 was a lot back then. Now, as we know, the NASDAQ's at 14,000. But as it peaked above that, there was like tons of rumors about companies and this, and people can't get financing. Lots of the rumors are wrong. Some of them were right. But the market corrected itself. And we're seeing some of the similar stuff seeping in to this market right now. And I think one of the issues that is plaguing crypto right now is pending regulation, and just how far out on the regulation scale that the two main regulators of crypto, which would be Janet Yellen, the Treasury Secretary, and Gary Gensler, the SEC Chair, how far they will go out. We don't know exactly how far they will go out. The rumors are all about how far they would go out. One rumor actually had Janet Yellen, throwing an 80% capital gains rate on cryptocurrency. I find that like impossible to believe. I mean, but it said it hurt stocks yesterday. It hurt prices yesterday. It depressed, and it was part of the depressing prices today. Again, no basis in fact. Treasury is not commenting, but it's not part of the current budget leaks that we're hearing out of the Biden administration. It's just pure rumor. But clearly, what investors are worried about here is a major correction, something that kind of. Listen, here's the thing, Ashley. If Bitcoin went down to 30,000, we'd all be running around with our hair on fire, right? But guess what? That would be twice as much as it was probably a year and a half ago. It still would be. Right. So just put this all in context. This stuff is probably here to stay. Wall Street is getting into it in a big way, but there is widespread fear of a correction, and the corrections, if it lasts as long as .com, Ashley, you're talking about a couple years before it comes back.
Yikes. And by the way, Charlie, I was in my pram during the .com crisis, but I was 30 years old, so that was just plain weird. Charlie Gasparino.
I was in my 30s.
Thank you so much,
I was in my 30s. I kind of remember what it's like.
Well, there you are. We're about the same, but we don't want to go down that road. Charlie, happy Friday to you, sir. Thank you so much.